The ICEVI, the Nippon Foundation Mathematics Package for Teachers video series, Abacus as a Mathematical Tool. Title of the video, Addition of Fractions, example 5 by 16 plus 4 by 15. The current example should be seen in the context of the previous example, 15 by 16 plus 14 by 15. In this case, we have taken the fractions 15 by 16 and 14 by 15, where the numerators are 15 and 14 and the denominators are 16 and 15, two adjacent numbers. In the current problem, 5 by 16 plus 4 by 15, we have taken single digit adjacent numbers as numerators. Here we have taken 5 and 4 as the two numerators. Though the procedures of addition are the same, the calculation is simple compared to the double digit numerators. Let us multiply 15 and 16, which gives 240 as the common denominator, which is a higher number, and set it to the extreme right of the abacus. The unit digit of the number should always be set in the extreme right of the particular section. That is, place 2 of the denominator in the hundreds column, 4 in the tens column, and 0 in the units column. Now take the first fraction 5 by 16, set the numerator 5 in the extreme left of the abacus. Now skip one column to the right of it and set the denominator 16. By keeping your left hand on the 16 and right hand on the common denominator 240, ask how many 16s in 240? By saying 240 divided by 16 is 15. You clear the 16 and set 15. With this 15, multiply the numerator 5 and set the 75 in the section meant for the numerator. After clearing the first fraction, set the numerator of the second fraction in the extreme left of the abacus. That is, your numerator of the second fraction 4 should be set in the first column from the extreme left of the abacus, and the denominator 15 in the third and fourth columns from the extreme left. By placing your left hand on the 15 and right hand on the denominator 240, ask how many 15s in 240. By saying 16, clear the 15 and set the 16 in the same column. Now multiply 16 with the 4, that is 64, that should be added with the 75. That is, 6 should be added with the 7. You can't add 6 here. So therefore, add 1 in the higher column, and instead of adding 6, you have added 10, and therefore subtract 4 in the lower column. That is, clear 5 in the upper abacus and add 1 in the lower abacus. Finally, you have to add 4 with the already available 5, which is making 139. At this stage, check the numerator and the denominator sections. If the value of the numerator section is less than the value of the denominator section, leave it. If the value of the numerator section is greater than the value of the denominator section, you have to do some additional calculations. In this problem, your numerator value is 139 and the denominator value is 240, which is in the right form, and therefore no adjustment is necessary in the whole number section. The result is 139 divided by 240.